welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Estrella and I'm so happy to see you here. If you like that girl content, self-care, feminine lifestyle, then you're in the right place, and I suggest you hit that subscribe button, like and comment your favorite emoji. So as you can see, I am oiling my hair. I'm brushing my hair with my bamboo hairbrush. I got this ages ago from Primark and it's just amazing. I clean it every week or so, maybe every 2 weeks. But yes, so I like to massage my hair with the bamboo brush for like 5 good minutes, and then I go in with these two oils, which is rosemary and almond oil for my roots, and I just massage the oil in, as you can see. For the ends, I do use a different oil. I use coconut oil, but I just saw it somewhere that almond oil and rosemary oil are, I'm gonna say, thinner, so it absorbs better. And then things, well, oils like coconut or more denser, then it's better for the ends. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, it's just something I saw, but I am really keen to oiling my hair. Like, I've been doing it for so long, and as you can see, my hair is thick and long. You can definitely see that my blonde era might be coming to an end. I'm so sad, but it's just my hair doesn't like it. I love being a blonde, but my hair just feels so dry. Doesn't matter what I do, it just feels awful, and it looks awful, and I will have to be going to the salon like every 2 weeks, and that's not healthy. So I'm letting it grow out, and I'm gonna be natural, and I'm feeling this, like, I'm gonna say dark feminine energy, if you know what I mean, with dark hair, but it's natural. So yeah, so this is what I'm feeling like. This is what I'm bringing into 2026. After I do that, then I just put my hair in a braid and let it sit for like, I don't know, hours, like 3 hours. It could be 30 minutes, it doesn't really matter. But after that, I shampoo with the Pantene. Okay, Pantene is amazing. If you want to sponsor me, I would love to be sponsored by Pantene. Like, I've been using their products forever, and yeah, I'm a Pantene girly. But they're not sponsoring this video. I'm just showing you what I use. So I use that shampoo and the conditioner cream sort of thing, mask. And yeah, my hair is actually wavy, as you can see. So I do have to, when I want it straight, I do have to blow dry it and dry it at this what am I saying, blow dry and like brush it at the same time, as you can see here, so it goes straight. And sometimes I need to straighten it, but today my hair was working with me, and I think the oils really help for this to happen. Yeah, look at that shine, you guys, look at that shine. Yeah, it is frizzy, but I look at that shine. So these are the two products. I don't know, these are like from the drugstore, like it's not like a big deal. Like, this is just what I use to get that frizz out. It doesn't really help, but I do it anyways. Hi guys, so this is such an exciting video. Look at the state of my bed, but I've got a really good excuse. As you can see by the title of this video, we are traveling to Paris. I'm so excited. So I've laid out everything I want to take, but I still need to pack more things. Yesterday my boots arrived. I'm gonna try them on for you guys. So they are quite long because I do have these ones that are so these are how they look. I'm gonna go in the mirror so you can see. This is how they look. I've got so many outfits planned for them. So the idea is to take these boots. I need to clean these, but these boots. Sorry, my room is so messy because I haven't had these trainers, which are quite cute, and my beloved heels that I love so much for like dinners, outfit, like dresses. So yeah, and so now I just got out my suitcase just to see everything. I have one small suitcase, the big one, the bag, like your handbag, and that's it. So that's what we have, and I think it's good because I think it's good. Like, I'm gonna try to fit everything. So these are like, this section are like all the dresses. Oh my god, this was from Mango. It's such a lovely dress. You'll see it in the next vlogs. Got the brown one, the blue one, this one. I haven't worn it yet. Like, I've brought it with me, but I haven't worn it yet. We've got, I love this dress. Still fits. It's such a cute dress. So chic, so elegant, and it's definitely coming to Paris. Okay, what else? In terms of dresses, I don't know if I should bring this one. So yeah, I can definitely, I've got this really cute outfit with that skirt and this a cardigan. It's short sleeve. I've been looking at the weather. Okay, so I've got this skirt that's like a cord. This is like all my dirty clothes I need to wash, but the matching like jumper thing with it, I need to wash it. Now I've got my two pajamas. So I've got this one that has like pancakes on it. I haven't been able to get my hands on the croissant, the viral croissant pajamas, but this will have to do. So this, I definitely need to be in Paris wearing that. And then this is like more elegant. I love this one so much. This is also coming with me. Long sleeved. It's long, can't speak. Long sleeve for both of them. Okay, so we've got, what do you call these? Like Bennett? I don't know what they call it, but the French hat basically. And I've got this one as well. This doesn't really look good, but I don't know if it's that cold, like 10 degrees. Is 10 degrees that cold for a hat? So I thought maybe I'll bring it just in case. I've got this scarf that's really warm, and that one that I bought recently. So yeah. So all of this going in. I'm gonna put it like this. That's why I'm prepping with days in advance. So I fly out on Thursday next week. Today's currently Saturday, so you've got an idea. Also, today has been really nice. Like, it's been 17 degrees, but it's been like the sea has been like lots of waves, and it's been quite sunny though. Look, 18 degrees, and currently nearly 5 p.m. But here we are. Packing this way, I know what I need, like what I need to wash, what I'm going to take, so I have an idea and I can relax my mind. Okay, next. So these are some jeans, sort of wide leg. I haven't worn these yet, but white ones. I've got these trousers that are like sort of brown, and then sort of the same ones, same style, but white. I don't know if I should bring it or not. I feel like the brown, I feel like I've got lots of white, so I thought the brown would be nice. So that's in terms of trousers, in case like, I don't know, I get dirty or something, I don't know. That, I don't know, this skirt, it has like trousers, but I don't know about this. I don't think I'm gonna take this. This jumper, I think I am. Take it. Okay, I'm gonna take my Dior bag. I put the chain, can't even open this. No, this way. Put the chain, there we go. I put the chain here. and all the lippies. The other one is in my makeup bag, but this is definitely coming with me. I love this bag so much. I think it's been honestly the best gift. And yeah, so I need to put this like well packed so it doesn't burn, like break or anything. Like it needs to be within clothes. And I'm thinking of also taking this cute purse. Thinking about it though. I also have this one. I feel like it could match the blue dress from Mango quite well, but I'm not too sure about this one just yet, or this one, because I did place an order, so I'm waiting on things to arrive. So this I don't know, because it's short sleeve, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring this. I don't think so. Maybe the blue one, just in case like I need something to wear around the hotel or something. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna bring that. And yeah, okay, we can see some space.